Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and remove some labels from your Gmail. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you would do is you're simply going to go ahead and access your Gmail in your laptop or your mobile phone and tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner. And once you have done so, you can simply find this kind of menu icons, right? Go ahead, tap on this drop down menu as well and scroll down to below. And here in this section you can find these labels, right? So for me, I do not have created any, so I'll tap on this plus icon, create me a label, and now tap on this create option, tap on this icon again over here, and we can find our label over here. So for us to delete that, first to delete, we're going to go ahead, tap on this manage labels option, which is over here in the category of your labels. You can see you can go ahead, tap on it, scroll down, tap on, and let's say I'll show you again. This is gonna be like this. Go ahead, tap on this labels menu, scroll down, tap on this option called manage labels, and now we're gonna go ahead, scroll down to the bottom. There's our label section over here. You can see it over here. Tap on this option called remove given beside it in the actions section. Tap on this again, tap on this delete option, and now you can see our label is now removed, and we can see in the notification over here as well. Simply go ahead, cross that out, go back. We do not have our label any. So this is the way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.